Much was learned during the COVID-19 pandemic. For healthcare providers, it shined a light on the true need to change the way people can receive diagnostic services, immunizations, and lab results. Established with the goal of providing a caring and professional experience for those that need it the most, Visit Health is a national mobile medical services firm specializing in on-site diagnostics, immunizations, and other healthcare needs for businesses, local governments, and schools. Visit Health mobilizes healthcare workers across the country swiftly and has managed projects in over 26 states.
The Visit Health team has been on the front lines of the COVID pandemic, traveling from urban, rural, and remote areas of the country. Local and state governments have turned to us for help because we could set up mobile vaccination and testing clinics in as little as 10 days. Even before the pandemic, medical care has been heading towards an on-demand model in the US. And Visit's ability to provide care to a patient or on-site at a workplace or facility is now needed more than ever. People living in nursing homes shouldn't have to be bused to labs. Employees needing occupational health services shouldn't have to wait months for doctor's appointments. All of these services should be brought directly to them. And once again, Visit is on the front lines, making that happen.
Award-winning rapid response medical specialists that have managed projects assisting in the aftermath of hurricanes, wildfires, and staffing emergencies at hospitals. Visit Health is armed with healthcare professionals and numerous certified laboratories at the ready, playing an active role in additional healthcare services beyond the scope of COVID-19.
Visit Health has hired and trained over 600 healthcare heroes to date for our vaccination and COVID testing projects across the country. They have done amazing work, and because of that, opportunities have come from our existing partners to work beyond COVID. They appreciate our on-site, on-demand capabilities and our level of professionalism and wanted to keep us as long-term partners for all of their other healthcare needs.
Visit Health has tested more than 4 million people for COVID-19 in cities and towns across the U.S., and vaccinated more than 40,000 against it. Now, in addition to these services, Visit is expanding into other capabilities, such as contracted medical staffing, mobile testing and immunization clinics, lab diagnostics with rapid turnaround times, and the opening of urgent cares and rehabilitation centers, all in an effort to change the way people are treated in regard to their medical care.
Visit Health's background is in emergency medical staffing. We've been providing teams to aid in natural disasters and emergency staffing situations across the country for a long time. Because of that and the skills that we honed during the pandemic, we've become experts in the field of mobile medical response and operational excellence. We always strive to deliver the highest level of professionalism and patient care.
Using the same model perfected early on in the pandemic in order to provide a positive patient experience, while expanding its capabilities, Visit is now working with long-term care facilities to provide on-site medical care and rapid test processing through its partner labs across the country.
With our background focused on vulnerable populations, early on in the pandemic, we noted an issue going on at long-term care facilities where vital labs and testing, which should take about a day to be returned, were taking days, or weren't being returned at all. We knew that we could do better than that. We first connected with St. Anne's when we conducted a COVID vaccination clinic there for staff and residents. After having conversations with the staff and noting that we could return a lab analysis in 24 hours or less, we started a pilot program there and then added our services on as the process went along.
In my role as nurse educator, the partnership with Visit Health began earlier this year. Visit Health offers testing, immunization, and diagnostic and lab resulting for our residents. Working with Visit Health has helped alleviate pain and potentially save the lives of some of our residents. Because their team came to us and offered vaccination services, additional staffing when needed, and provided diagnostic testing with results often available in less than 24 hours, they have made our staff and residents happier and healthier. Visit Health offers turnkey solutions that nobody else can. We are grateful for their partnership, and our residents are too.
Governments are facing now more than ever a high unprecedented need for mobile medical services in places like prisons, shelters, and long-term care facilities. Companies in the U.S. need health checks, drug screening, and other non-emergency medical services. Each of these are situations where it makes more sense to bring the care on site and on demand. And this is Visit Health's strength. There is no job too big for us and no problem that we cannot solve.
When you want a ride to the airport, you will use a ride-sharing app. When you would like to order a meal, you can go online and order and have it delivered to your door. Why can't nursing homes with very immobile patients have flu shots delivered to them on site? Why can't trucking companies have 24-hour drug test services brought on site to their logistic hub? Why can't companies keep a healthy workforce by providing flu shots at their workplace? The need for mobile medical care is now greater than ever, and Visit Health is uniquely equipped to provide this medical care, one visit at a time.
The importance of rapid response medical solutions for communities across the U.S. are quickly evolving beyond COVID-19 and vaccination services. Learn more today about Visit Health, innovative mobile medical solutions for today's needs. For more information, go to visithealth.com or call 866-888-4003.